take a stab at mounting this tank. You know, we cut all the castings out here for the speedometer and all that. Here's the hole the speedometer went through. I know on your bike we dropped a top hat bung in here, but I just feel like if we reuse that hole, it's a little bit too far back, and I know we're splitting hairs here. Plus, it's already hitting something there. So if we close it up to about there, which actually works, because so the cool thing is these come with the tongues already having your holes for you. Nice thing is they're slotted too, so it gives you a little, if you're off by a little bit, you know, you can make it work. A lot of other tanks, you order them and they just have the tongue, and somehow, you know, try to get a drill in there, you got to come from underneath, and I don't know, just none of it's fun. It's just like it saves you a step. So now we're going to map out our new holes. It's about where I need to be, I think. Okay. 16 5/8. So I'm looking for 16 5/8. I got 16 5/8. So if Ian says it looks center, which sure as shit does. Let's see how it looks. I gotta stop. I'm always, my OCD, the older I get, gets worse and worse and worse, and I think everything's gotta be like literally machine perfect. Like I'm gonna be riding or something and then look down and be like, notice the gas tank's hanging a half a degree off. Like, get real. So now we're gonna bust out the drill. Not on my worst day, pal. There's one. There's two. Voila. Sits nice and flat. Quick little fusion tack. Moment of truth. It's like the final unveil. Here are the metal shavings. And that's how you mount a gas tank.